Hi, I'm Brett. Today we've got another update on the WRX that you would have seen in our previous video. So what we've done, we've got a dyno run. The car's about to run up on the dyno. We've done all the preliminary work to get the car running on the original factory ECU. So check out this dyno power run and I'll be back after the video to talk more about it. So it's a pretty good result, and you'll see in this Dyno Graph, so I've got something to refer to as well. We'll put this up on the screen. The big thing about this particular car is the difference in drivability other than just the peak power and torque. And as you can see, the peak power is pretty healthy and fairly typical of this model of around 210 kilowatts measured at the hubs, and around 380, 390 peak torque at 4,000 RPM. But it's what the difference is. Unfortunately, we can't show the original testing of the car because when it first was delivered to us, it had a very small turbo, it had other modifications that didn't make it or allow it to be safely tested on the dyno. So what you can see in this graph is the factory standard power run in those days of the MY99 WRX, which is around 130 kilowatts. So effectively this car's now got well over 70 kilowatts more than factory standard, and well and truly some quick maths here, 150 Newton meters of torque. Now, one of the things that the graph, as I said, doesn't show is the drivability of the particular car since the modifications, since the change in the turbo, since the change in the factory ECU. Because remember, we spoke about the advantages and disadvantages with some of the old school technology, which was quite popular back then. We're talking 18 years or 19 years ago now with Unichip, which was a very popular upgrade, and the way those featured parts worked and what they were using as a way of changing the signal using the advance and retarding of the crank angle sensor. So check out our other video where we'll talk about that. But as you can see in the engine bay now, the client's about to pick up his car. He's got a pretty healthy upgrade. We fixed his factory airbox. He's got a good reliable silicon intake to the turbo. He's now got an SDI turbo. And the rest of the car is going to put a big smile on his face because it's certainly going a hell of a lot better than when he first dropped it off. So if you want to take advantage of some tunes on your particular car near home where you are, we do offer that all around Australia as part of our network of partners. So just contact us and we can arrange that for you locally. But of course you can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for future updates. But for now, my name is Brett Middleton. Thanks for watching.